Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new product that will help you get free, targeted traffic from Google and Bing using the power of artificial intelligence. This product is called Free Barred Traffic, and it's created by Mark Hess, a super affiliate and experienced online marketer. If you want to learn more about this product and how it can help you grow your online business, then make sure you watch this video till the end. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Free Barred Traffic is a coaching program that teaches you how to use Google's Bard AI to generate content faster and easier. Google Bard is a free tool that can research, write, brainstorm, code, and more using natural language programming and machine learning. It can also translate languages, proofread writing, write Excel formulas, or provide mathematical formulas. Google Bard has access to up-to-date information through Google's search engine. With Free Barred Traffic, you will learn how to use Google Bard to create content for your website or YouTube channel that will rank high on Google and Bing and attract free, targeted traffic. You will also learn how to monetize your traffic with various methods such as building your mailing list, selling products, promoting CPA offers, earning Google AdSense revenue, expanding your e-commerce empire, and earning affiliate commissions. Free Barred Traffic works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. You sign up for the coaching program and get access to the members area. There you will find over-the-shoulder video tutorials that will guide you through the process of using Google Bard AI to create content. Step 2. You follow the instructions and use Google Bard AI to generate content for your website or YouTube channel. You can use Google Bard AI to write articles, blog posts, reviews, headlines, descriptions, captions, scripts, emails, sales letters, landing pages, and more. You can also use Google Bard AI to create graphics, logos, memes, infographics, charts, diagrams, and more. Step 3. You publish your content on your website or YouTube channel and watch as it ranks high on Google and Bing and drives free, targeted traffic to your offers. You then monetize your traffic with various methods and earn passive income online. Free Barred Traffic has many benefits for anyone who wants to make money online with affiliate marketing. Some of the benefits are: it saves you time and money by using a free tool that can create content faster and easier than ever before. It helps you rank higher on Google and Bing by creating unique and relevant content that matches the search intent of your audience. It helps you attract free, targeted traffic that is interested in your niche and your offers. It helps you monetize your traffic with various methods such as building your mailing list, selling products, promoting CPA offers, earning Google AdSense revenue, expanding your e-commerce empire, and earning affiliate commissions. It helps you scale and grow your online business by creating more content and driving more traffic. Free Barred Traffic is currently available at a special launch price. This is a one-time payment that gives you lifetime access to the coaching program and all the updates. However, this price will not last long and will increase soon. So if you want to get Free Barred Traffic at this low price, you need to act fast and click on the link below this video right now. When you click on the link below this video, you will also get access to some amazing bonuses that will help you get even more results with Free Barred Traffic. These bonuses include: Bonus 1, access to Mark Hess's private Facebook group where you can network with other members and get support from Mark himself. Bonus 2, access to Mark Hess's secret list of profitable niches that you can use with Free Barred Traffic. Bonus 3, access to Mark Hess's exclusive training on how to use Google Ads to boost your traffic even more. Bonus 4, access to Mark Hess's personal case studies on how he used Free Barred Traffic to generate income online. Bonus 5, access to Mark Hess's special software that will help you create stunning graphics for your content. These bonuses are worth over $500, but you can get them for free when you purchase free barred traffic today. If you have any questions or issues with free barred traffic, you can contact Mark Hess and his team through the support email address that you will find inside the members area. They will respond to your queries as soon as possible and help you resolve any problems. You can also check out the FAQ section inside the members area where you will find answers to some of the most common questions about free barred traffic. Additionally, you can join the private Facebook group where you can ask questions and get help from other members and Mark himself. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to get free barred traffic and start generating free, targeted traffic from Google and Bing using the power of artificial intelligence, then click on the link below this video right now. Remember, this is a limited time offer and the price will go up soon. So don't miss this opportunity and grab your copy of free barred traffic today. Plus, you will also get access to all the amazing bonuses that I mentioned earlier. These bonuses will help you get even more results with free barred traffic. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below this video right now and get free barred traffic and all the bonuses before they are gone. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.